The 7 Principles of HACCP. As defined by CODEX Alimentarius. Principle 1. Conduct a hazard analysis. To include microbiological, chemical, physical and allergenic hazards. Principle 2. Identify critical control points, CCPs. Principle 3. Establish critical limits for each of the critical control point, CLs. Principle 4. Establish monitoring procedures for each critical control point. Principle 5. Establish corrective actions for each critical control point and what to do if the critical limit is surpassed. Principle 6. Establish verification procedures for each critical control point. This is to ensure the monitoring action is controlling the hazard. Principle 7. Establish record-keeping procedures. Records are needed for monitoring each critical control point and documenting any corrective actions. Record-keeping procedures in HACCP is essential for demonstrating due diligence. Accurate documentation and records provide evidence that the system is being followed, which is crucial for legal defense in case of a food safety incident. The 7 Principles of HACCP. As defined by CODEX Alimentarius. We hope you found this useful. Please follow and like for more videos. See you next time.